Hello everyone and welcome back to Fun Methodology. Now today's topic is how to convert decimals into fractions, right? So today is the part 10 of the decimals series that we have started, and today's topic is how to convert decimals into fractions. Now in the last class you have already learned how to convert fractions to decimals by long division method, right? And today we'll just go opposite, that is converting decimal back to fractions again. Now always remember student that every decimal can be written as a fraction with denominator 10, 100, 1000, etc. How to write them? So we'll learn. But always remember that every decimal can be written as a fraction with denominator of 10, 100, 1000, etc. Now I have written 3 steps in order to actually solve this kind of problems, and in order to proceed with the conversion. The first step is count the number of digits after the decimal point, right? So let's see, we'll take an example and we'll try to study the steps. So example 1, so we'll take 0.5, right? So see, count the number of digits after the decimal point. So after the decimal point there is 1 digit, remove the decimal point. So in the answer we'll remove the decimal point. So we have removed it. In the denominator write 10, 100 or 1000 etc. as per the number of digit that was counted. So after the decimal point there was only 1 digit, so write 10 because 10 consists of only 1 0. So write 10. If there would have been two digits after the decimal, you should have written 100, right? So in this case there is only 1 digit, write 10. Got it? So 5 by 10 would be the fraction of this decimal 0.5. Got it? And if there is a scope of simplification, please simplify it. For example, here we can simplify this as half. Got it? So let's take few more. 0.25, right? Step 1 is count the number of digits after the decimal point. So after the decimal point there is 2 digits, remove the decimal point. So we have removed it. In the denominator write 10, 100, 1000 as per the number of digit that was counted. So we have counted 2 digit, so we will write 100 because 100 consists of 2 zeros. 100. So again simplify this. 1 by 4. Let's take another example, 0.125. Now again pause the video, try to solve this one. Got it? So 125 divided by 1000, and that will be, after simplification, will be 1 by 8. Got it? Let's see few more. So these are all right, there is no whole numbers associated with this. Got it? So these are, see, if I convert, these are coming to be proper fractions. Let's see when we get an improper fraction. So we'll see example 2. So for example 1.34, right? Very simple. Count the number of digits. So after point there is 34, there is 2 digits. Remove the decimal point, write 100. Got it? Please students, always simplify it. I'm not simplifying, so reduce the length of the video. So simplify it. So let's take another problem, 21.1. So straight away count is 1 digit, remove the decimal. As it is 1 digit, write 10. Next is 85.655, let's say. So 85,655 divided by 1000, right? Now the question is, if I get this, that is, this is improper fraction, right? I'll just show one of it and you can apply this concept for all improper fraction. Now you know improper fraction can be converted into mixed fraction. So for this particular example we'll convert this into mixed fraction. So if I divide 134 by 100, let's say, So 101 is 100. So this is 34. So I can write what? 134 here. So go ahead and simplify this one. So 17 to the 34 and 50. So this is coming to be 117 by 50. So always try to simplify these, and as it is an improper fraction, convert this into mixed fraction. Got it? Now, one thing you remember, students. So for conversion of recurring decimals, right? So conversion of recurring decimals, just remember few things. So that will help you. So conversion of recurring decimals. Now if you have 0.333 dot dot dot, write straight away 1/3. If you have 0.666 dot 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 dot, write 2/3, right? Okay, one thing more just before finishing the lecture. If you have, see, 0.333, you can use this concept if you have what? If you have an improper fraction, right? So for example, 3.333 and so on. So you know, this is 3 plus 0.333. So plus 0.333 is 1/3. So 3 1/3. Got it? Very easy. If you have, let's take another one, 4.666 and so on. So you can convert this into 4 plus 0.6666 is 2/3. Okay, so answer will be 4 2/3. Got it? So always remember during the conversion of recurring decimals, 0.333 would be calculated as 1/3. 0.6666 will be converted as 2/3. Now you can use these concepts whenever you get some improper fractions like this one. Okay, so I guess you have followed the very simple steps that you need to apply while converting decimals into fractions. So if you have followed it, let me know in the comment box. So I'll be bringing the next lectures, how to add decimals in the next class. So that will be easy one. Thanks students, thanks for watching. We'll soon meet. Bye bye.